It's time to teach arm circles. First, you'll demonstrate the skill. Push off the wall and start kicking. Once on the surface, transition into arm circles, showing a smooth and controlled motion. You'll then want to provide hands-on instruction. Stand with the swimmer and guide them through the movements. Start with their hands in a streamlined position on the wall or out in front of them, and lower one arm into the water, reaching down, moving back towards their leg, up towards the sky, and back around to the front. Repeat the motion with the other arms. Emphasize straight arms with the motion. Remind them to keep their body facing forward, avoiding side-to-side wiggling. You'll be able to start from the wall next. Position the swimmer with one hand on the wall and the other arm extended forward. Ensure both feet are planted firmly on the wall. Instruct them to push off strongly, looking down at the bottom of the pool and maintain proper body position. Use cues for encouragement. Big arms, or depending on their age, put your hand in your pocket, then make a big rainbow. Down to the fish, up to the sky. Using these fun and engaging phrases helps swimmers remember that correct technique and stay motivated.